Let's go, man. It's Big COBJ back at it again. So today we're going to do a hot taper. He been thugging it for about 4 months, he said. He's been in Hawaii with his dad. Let's get straight to it. So I went ahead and draped them. I'm about to go with the 1.5 against the grain, and then eventually I'm going to go with we're doing no C cups. We're going skin. As you see, now I'm going with the 1. At first it was 1.5. It wasn't light enough. Now I'm going with the grain to knock down his front. I'm just debulking right now. Just making sure I'm staying consistent with everything, as y'all can see. Very quick video, straight to the point. Going with the grain right there. Making sure I'm moving all the excess hair. You see I go lever fully closed. And then I hit with the trimmer to go ahead and make sure it's fully skinned. I went ahead and fade out the back. Now I'm just lining them up. Lever closed. Fully open halfway. Now I was detailing with the half guard. Lining him up, keeping it where his natural line is, as y'all can see. And then I hit him with the razor, just like that. Now my videos are gonna be very short, getting straight to the point. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at bigceo.bj and at bj.cuts with 2 Z's. Let's go.